Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your driver's license to Apple Wallet in Canada in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand that as of 2026, Canada does not support adding driver's license to your Apple Wallet officially. So you won't see any add ID to wallet option in your iPhone. Now, some of the provinces are working on the digital ID through their own application. So if the application is available, it is basically based on your province. So you need to download that, and then inside it you can add your driver's license and complete the verification process. So you can't actually do it as of right now in your Apple Wallet. You need to download and use it in the in your province official website. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.